Well, there you have it, guys. A lot of you been asking about how it's doing. 20-year-old car, basically. 2006 Buick LaCrosse. Look at that beast. Just got it back. It was in the shop getting some intake valves removed. But yeah. Oh, here's your proof. South Dakota. What a beast of a car, huh? You know why? Because it's a fucking Buick. What do you expect? Old GM, no rust on it at all. Not an ounce of rust on it. Nothing. I'm living proof. It can be done. There you go. LaCrosse CX. One of the best cars you will ever own. And by the way, still has that 38 V6 engine everybody loves. One of the last years, I think the Pontiac Grand Prix is the last year they did it. And I believe that was 2008, 2009, whatever. There you go, guys. It's doing fantastic. Best car ever. Period. You can say what you want, it's an old man's car, whatever, but the thing is reliable. There you go. What a beast.